Hello. 'Tis me. Stop it. Okay, I can move now. I need a donut. Where's the No. I clicked R! Oh, I already set it down. Oops. I'm an idiot. Yay. Okay. Eat the chocolate donut. There you go. Just move. Bro, move. Boop. No, you didn't answer me. Too busy, like, yeah. No, yes. You can see all my subscriptions. Oh no. Oh no, no. Don't mind that. I don't know why I'm subscribed to that. I literally don't know why I'm still subscribed to that. Okay, that is awesome. That is my old friend. Won't answer me. Anyway, let's look down. Ah, yes. I think we're good now. Let's not go on my homepage because then you'll see everything. Patrick, that's a locker launcher. Patrick. I don't know what. Am I in virtual reality in actual Roblox? Oh. I'm sorry, did you just say, what did you say? What was that word you just said? Rainbow, let me ask you a question. Move. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? I don't say those words. Because I don't. Yeah, I'm not one, so ha ha ha. I'll walk over your face. I'll walk on all over your face. Say hello to my foot. Hello? What? Just to step it on you now. You enjoy my foot? Yay, look at my feet. Here's my ladder. I can't, like... I can't climb. Oh, there we go. XD! Come on, go. There we go. Lag. Oh, jeez. Yes, use my ladder. No, come on. Wait. Pokemon be like. Hold on. Yoink. Pokemon? Well, this technically isn't a Pokemon. And if I could show what I was doing on my phone, I would. But I cannot. Harm has something to do with this. Anyway. Wait. Go back to my channel. Stop it! Malfunctions. We're malfunctioning today. Who cares? Oh, now that you got thirsty. Come here. Drink the water. Drink it. Oh, okay. No! I want you move your bat over there. He's like, wait, what? He's like, where'd my bat go? Yeah, Rain. Tell me, where did your bat go? Yeah, where'd it go? Speaking of the urgent. Bat is well rested. Whoops. Whoops, whoops, is it? Oh. Oh, wow. No, I'm sorry. Hold on a second. I'm sorry. This cannot go unseen. Snipping tool! No! What if I don't wanna? Alright, so if we... no. Okay, so... Oh, see this? You could flip this around, if I knew how to do that. Like, if you could switch this around, you could see that. Yoink, yoink. Ah! Apparently I'm a devil. No, I don't wanna. Speaking of random songs out of nowhere. Oh my god, you just ate food and now you're asking for more. Are you kidding me? Freaking that. Pokemon, gonna catch 'em all. It's playing. Hope you eat it. Eat it. Wait, it's not playing? I thought it was. Bells in 11. Be the champion. Pokemon. Yay. No, I'm starting to sound like anime. No, stop it. Don't. Yay. If I could show my camera, I probably would, but I don't wanna, so that's not an option. Yeah, well, she said night, not an option. Do 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 do. What sucks is you can see this the entire time you're recording. It's so annoying. Boop, 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 boop. We have children in our hands. All units stand by. Yeah, let's turn that off so I don't get copyrighted. Because you're gonna be hearing like, I'm blue. Just kidding. I don't think they have that on here. I don't think they have it on here. Anyway. You sound like Celebi. Whatever she sounds like. Oh, she's like her hair, but it sounds like some kind of weird way. Just Reeby. Like a squeaky-ish kind of voice. I don't want to do it though. I'm gonna do it anyway. No, that was bad. There we go. I nailed. Wait. Yoshi! Yes, Yoshi. One of my favorite Mario characters, besides Luigi. Mario isn't loved for once. Go die in a hole, Mario! What the? What has happened to one of my favorite games? Hello? No. I'm recording, mother. Yeah, don't my bad me. My bad! Remedy rewards. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Limited sales pack. Nobody cares about the stupid sales pack. Gosh dang it. I can't even get it anyway, so there's really no point. Making me want to credit. It's not gonna happen. No, I wanted it. 7-day challenge. Since when did they have this? Oh. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, I got Star Runner. Alright then. Well, part 2.